Hello, Lookout fam. It's your girl Lolo, and today I'm at two locations. I'm at the Gate City location and a location in Charlotte, North Carolina. And I want to start this video off with some gift basket ideas. Now, it is graduation season, and I decided to do two gift baskets for graduate students on their way to college. So, with this gift basket, I'm going to add this Bermuda Blue Citrus fabric rinse. And let me grab another caddy. Now these caddies are $1.50 each. Very reasonable. Now for the second caddy, I'm going to add the Brazilian sole. This is the fabric rinse. And I'm also going to add this. This is the Ultra Laundry Packs. You get 10 of these for $1.50. And I'm also going to add this. This is the In-Wash Fragrance Booster. Now I'm also going to add this Bermuda Blue Citrus. And I'm grabbing one from the back because the top of that one looks like it's about to come off of it. So this is the In-Wash Fragrance Booster. And I'm actually looking for the Bermuda Blue Citrus laundry packs, and I don't see them. Let's see if I see them over here. I don't see them, but I do see the Bermuda Blue Citrus fabric softeners. Now you get 40 of these for $1.50, and I must say these smell really good. When I use them, it has my whole house smelling so good. Now, okay, I think I just saw something. In the bag, they have this. This is the Blue Citrus Laundry Detergent Sheets. They work just like the pods, but they're sheets. You get 15 of these for $1.50. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on my latest gift basket ideas. All right, let's see what else I can find. I'm just looking for whatever I can find that's Brazilian sole or the Blue Citrus. Oh, here's something. This is the Brazilian sole all-purpose cleaner. I'm gonna add this to my Brazilian sole gift basket. And check this out. I found this Bermuda Blue Citrus room mist. So I'm gonna add this to my Bermuda gift basket. And let me see if I can find something else. Let's see. Oh, they do have this. Oh, the label is off of it. I think these are all-purpose wipes. So let me see if I can find something else. This is the Bermuda Sole. This is the gel air freshener. So let me add this to my Brazilian sole gift basket. And I'm just looking it over, seeing if I can add something else. Okay, so I'm gonna add the air freshener to my Bermuda sole one. So this is what I have. I have the Brazilian sole gel air freshener, the all-purpose cleaner, the In-Wash fragrance booster, the Ultra laundry packs. You get 10 of these, and the fabric rinse. This would make a great graduation gift right here. Now for my Bermuda gift basket, I have the fabric softener dryer sheets, the laundry detergent sheets. You get 15 of these. This is the fabric rinse, the In-Wash fragrance booster, the room mist, and this right here. This is the, oh, I can't grab it. This is the gel air freshener. And you know what? I'm going to add this OxiClean mini stain treatment pen with this because it's blue and white. And I'm also going to add this stain remover on the go to my Brazilian sole basket. These are so cute. I'm so excited for these. Now over in the plus size section, I was able to find these storage containers. This is a 10-piece storage case. This is $5. Great if you do crafts or jewelry and make jewelry out of beads. Now this is a 4-compartment organizer. I seen someone put their hand sanitizer in these, and I'm gonna try that out. These are wall pockets here. I believe these are $3. But I'm so curious about this. I'm gonna grab this and I'm gonna put my hand sanitizers in it when I get home to see how well organized it can look. All right, guys, here we go. I have my Dollar Tree Be Pure at the top, and I have my Dollar General Ashley Bell hand sanitizers at the bottom. And look how organized this is. This is definitely worth $3. This is so cute. Now, in the Charlotte location, I was able to find these antibacterial hand wipes in Smart Apple and Vanilla Vibe. And also spotted this by Extra Care. This is the Active Feet Cream for extreme relief. And they also have the Active Hands Cream for extreme relief as well. Now, these are nice for $1.25 each. Also spotted this. This caught my eye because I never seen the Super Greens cleansing wipes before, but you get 30 of these for $1.25. At the Gate City location, I spotted this Amber Glow Aqua Blue hand and body lotion. They had it in Sweet Lemon and Sun Kissed Citrus. Now, the lemon one smells good. And this is the Orchid Glowing Body Lotion and the Hydrating Jelly Cleanser. And these are so cute. The hand soap is shaped like a pineapple and smells like pineapple. And this one is strawberry and is shaped like a strawberry. These are so adorable. Now, this is the Natural Scents Lavender Bar Soap with Shea Butter. Now, these lather up so well, so I decided to get the peppermint one. Now, this Cantu Protective Styles is $1.25, but I seen it at my local beauty supply place for $8.39. So if you see this at your local Dollar Tree, pick this up. But I did find these makeup puff with the case to it. The puff is okay, but the case is amazing. I love that I don't have to worry about getting makeup on my items inside of my purse. Now, I was here with my cousin, Mr. James, and he was showing me which one of these scents was his favorite. Now, he said he likes teens. Now, personally, I like Champion, but yeah, this is him. And he wants you to know this one is worth getting.
You put my face in that. It's good.
Now, over in the kitchen area, I was able to spot some new items. They had this by Ulta. This is the crustless sandwich maker. They had it in green and in blue. Now, this is for the people who do not like crust on their sandwiches. So this is a nice way to go ahead and cut the crust off and leave a perfectly circle. This is nice for $1.25. Also found these extendable marshmallow forks. Now, in North Carolina, it is way too hot to sit by a campfire, but you can grab these and save them for the winter time. These are $1.25 as well. And Breyers has these ice cream bowl and spoon sets. These are so cute. That they have two different designs here at the Charlotte location for $1.50. Now, back in the Gate City location, I was able to find some more designs of the Breyers ice cream bowls and spoon sets. These are really nice for $1.50. And over in the baby aisle, they did have these protein shakes for kids. They come in vanilla, chocolate, and fruity cereal. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave me a comment. And guys, I will see you on the lookout. Bye.